Hi friends, in this video we are going to create a very stunning and perfect website for museum, art gallery or exhibitions. So if you are willing to create a website in this category, this video is exactly for you, and we are going to use a very well selected WordPress theme for this, and this is Muzze WordPress theme, and it is of course the best theme in this category, and it is a rare category and very rarely people looking for such categories, but this is being the wonderful WordPress theme that you will get perfect in all senses. So this is being the website, some website I am showing you that has been used using Muzze WordPress theme, and it is perfect of course, and you have multiple choices as well. So Muzze is the art gallery, museum, exhibition and event WordPress theme, and this theme can be used for these categories, and it is really very stunning and to the point for showcasing the content. In the theme you'll get multiple pre-made website options like home, demos, modern demos, exhibitions in slider formats, and creative demo, classic demos, minimal demos. So you can select any of these pre-made website for your upcoming project, and we are going to overview this theme in this video. We will create a demo website, import demo content, overview theme options and everything. But yes, don't decide this theme or any other theme just by knowing its name, because you need to know the complete features and functionalities, because website is ultimately yours and you have to promote and use that particular website. So without understanding the feature, don't use or don't decide anything. So Muzze is a WordPress theme, as I called Muzze art gallery exhibition WordPress theme, and it has been developed by OVA theme, and we have seen on this channel OVA themes really create great WordPress themes, and this is another great WordPress theme by OVA theme, and OVA theme are elite author. So Muzze is an art gallery, museum, exhibition and event WordPress theme designed specifically for all types of museum, art galleries, exhibitions, event, exposition website, and also suitable for art, science and history business as well. So let us proceed towards installation, and this theme well supports the latest version of WordPress, and it is compatible with Elementor, WooCommerce and WP multi-language as well. So all the technical advancements are also here. So let us proceed towards installation of Muzze WordPress theme. I have this press installation of WordPress, and it is running 2022 default WordPress theme on the latest version of WordPress, and I am assuming that you have installed the core WordPress at your hosting and domain, and if not, you may follow the link given in the description of WP Themes website that gives you everything for your website, that is hosting, domain and the theme as well. So let us begin the installation. I have the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have changelog, demo import in XML formats and documentation, licensing. Some plugins are also here, some not, in fact maximum plugins are here, and Muzze main theme file, child theme file is here. So we are going to use this muzze.zip file for our installation purpose. And to install the theme, we have to be in the appearance section of WordPress and click on themes. By default 2022 WordPress theme is active here, and we are going to add a new theme using this interface, and we can upload the theme, choose file, and here we need to choose muzze.zip file, and I'm uploading the theme directly through this WordPress interface. And you can also upload the theme directly to your hosting in the WP content themes folder if you are having direct access on cPanel or file manager or FTP. So this is being a certain method, sure method of uploading theme. However, if your server is good and you are confident about its capacity, you can use this WordPress interface for uploading the theme. And yes, the theme has been installed successfully within a minute, and this is the beauty of hosting plan that we are using and providing you. And you can avail this hosting plan just by following the link and the hosting really comes in negligible price, so you must consider about the hosting that is available at WP Themes website. So link is here in the description. Or so okay, so we have installed the theme and we can go on the themes page. We have now Muzze's another theme option along with the default theme, and this is Muzze version 1.4.6 by OVA theme. As on date, I am having this latest version of the theme, and when you are ordering the theme by following the link given in the description, you might be getting an updated version of theme depending on availability. So Muzze is a modernized take on ever popular WordPress. It has custom color option with beautiful default color schemes, a harmonious fluid grid using a mobile first approach, and impressible polish in every detail. Okay, so this is being the introduction, and we can activate the theme. Okay, so upon activation we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete features and functionality, and this is the list of 15 plugins. So basically main plugins are OVA themes and developed by OVA themes itself, and it is here. So theme collection, events, exhibition, framework, and manage ticket, mega menu. This is the plugins by the OVA themes itself. Donation is also here, and Q portfolio has been used for pushing the portfolio, and contact form 7 is always there. And this theme well supports the WooCommerce as well, and widget importer has been used for importing. Okay, and one click demo importer is also here. So we are going to install, and I must tell you one thing, this theme uses the Elementor page builder, so it is being the best page builder as on date. You can say this is being the widely used page builder, and people are liking Elementor themes, so you can consider this theme as it is on Elementor, and Elementor considered to be the most advanced page builder. However, there are other page builders. I like WP Bakery very much, so it is not only Elementor. So okay, so this theme uses Elementor, it is good, and we are going to install all the plugins, and I am going to install all plugins in one go. So again, if you are not confident about your server capacity, you need to install plugin one by one to avoid any error during the plugin installation process. Okay, so it may take time. Okay, so it is wonderful, and within 30 seconds we installed all the plugins, and 15 plugins, so it is a good number. Now it is time to activate all the installed plugins. That also can be done in a single click. And all plugins have been installed and activated successfully. Click on the dashboard to check whether it needs further action. So we might really like this. So this is onboarding welcome page for donation. It is give donation part, and we are of course not going to run this setup wizard. Just in case if you are using this theme for donation purpose and similar purpose, you can configure this give. Give is available in the theme pack itself, so we have already installed it. And this is welcome page of Elementor. Just cross it and we will come back to the dashboard. Okay, so this is here, and we have installed all the plugins, and we got some additional tabs as well. I will show you what these tabs are bringing at our website, and of course we can take a look at our website how it is looking with the theme and all set of plugins. Okay, good. So this is being basic look of website that is using Muzze WordPress theme, and we need to import demo content to make a target website like any of these. So this, I like this parallax effect very much. Okay, so we will proceed for importing the demo content, and I am going to find the option under appearance. It is available here and called import demo data, and yes, so we have only this option, and simply click on import demo data option. The next page is showing some additional plugins, so we don't need any of these plugins as of now, so simply continue and import. Now import processes begin, and it will definitely take some time because it is going to connect the developer server, and it also depends on your internet speed, your own hosting capacity, and all dependent factors are here. Don't disturb this screen, don't refresh this page or hit the back button. However, you may explore another tabs, and you can look on the theme internal pages. So it is really very fast and effective website, and it has been developed by a very good development house, that is OVA Themes, and they actually make very suitable WordPress themes. So I like themes very much by OVA Themes, and this is another one. Okay, so the import is going on, and we need to wait on this screen until we get any message on the screen. And I got this wonderful message. It is saying, congrats, your demo was imported successfully, you can now begin editing your site. So it is very good for me, and it came in around 3 minutes for me. So I'm sure you will also get the complete demo content within this stipulated time. Okay, so let us take another look of our website, and I'll show you rest of things once. Okay, so it is great, and we got this complete website without any trouble. This installation was really smooth, and we have all the home at our website, so we can choose any of these home pages, and all home pages are really stunning and super fast. So it is a nice installation process, and the complete website is here. Some images has not been provided in some of the demos, but it does not matter. Ultimately main images are here, and we are of course not going to use these images, and our website is complete in all respect. So we can take another look of our website. Okay, so this is page, and we can check inner pages, plan to visit, and it is really good. Internal pages are also very well functional, and book online option is here. So we need to configure all these things, and of course about page we can, so all good is here, and this website is complete. We just need to put our own content, and now I'll show you what we got in this installation very quickly, and I'll show you only additional tabs. So collection is a new tab. I'll show you what it is, and this is a collection of museum or events. So I'll show you what it is. So this is the collections page, and you have to maintain all the collection of museum using this section. And I must tell you one thing, just remove those pages or elements that you are not using at your website, because it is going to be indexed by the search engine. So all collection is here, all artists similarly you can handle, and type, location and settings are also here. So you have to maintain the collection part. Similarly, events can be handled in the event section. I'll show you the event page as well. So this is the event page, and it is of course very informative and to the point. And exhibition is next part. So exhibition is the section for the website, and we can take a look of exhibition page as well, and this is also very good. And next is manage tickets. So this is very important for a website of exhibition, and yes, we have all these things. So I assume we will see the book tickets here, so we need to explore of course. And rest of things as donation, as I said, just in case if you are willing to use this theme for donation purpose, I mean for collecting money for a cause, so you can use this feature as well. This is a complete functional donation system, so I have I used in another websites as well. And a header builder and portfolio is all here. So all it is connected to Elementor, of course. Appearance is here, and settings, queue portfolio. So portfolio is to be handled from this section. and nothing additional is here. I can show you the theme customization option, but no additional tab is here, so I believe this can be done through the customize tab only. Okay, so this is the customize tab, and we can set rest of things here. Let us see what is here. So typography is in our control. We can adjust the font and the size. Layout again, so preload, sidebar and all such things. Header area, so we are using header 5 here. Similarly, footer options, site identity, background image, menu, and rest of things are as common as in customized options. So I am willing to show you some additional things about customization. And so Elementor is here, and we can check the save templates just in case some additional things are here. Okay, so there is no template, so we can check the header part, build filter, so all Elementors. Okay, so header section is to be handled from here. I'll show you which header, so just in case if you are using this version and this theme uses Elementor, and you can check which header is being used, which header and which footer. So header 1 is being used, so you can control the header elements through this header 1 option. Where is it? And here is header 1, so it is on next page, I believe. So okay, so we can edit the header portion and the header 1 option. Whatever header is being used, you can edit using Elementor. It is very simple, and I believe you will be able to edit all the content. Simply click on the pencil icon. Just keep in mind, you have to use same dimension image that has been used in the demo website, and almost same text length as has been used to maintain the design integrity of website. It is very important, and rest things you can edit simply using Elementor page builder. I'll show you that as well. So just open the page that you want to edit. Just in case if you are editing the home page, open the home page. And if you are new to Elementor, you can take a backup of page. Elementor has an option to make a backup of page also, so you can save as template option is here. Just in case if you want to take a backup, it will be saved in your template, and you can use this page. And you can also use any duplicated plugin for taking backup. And editing the content is very simple. So this is a slider area, and you have to use wide images here, and you can set all the parameters here, and simply click on the pencil icon and you will be able to edit the content. It is so simple to edit. Just keep in mind about the dimension and the text length, and you will be able to make your complete website. So in this video we have created this wonderful website for museum, art gallery or exhibition. I believe I have shown you each and every information about the Muzze WordPress theme, and you might have certain question about this theme. So just don't hesitate in asking any question in the comment section of this video, and you can get in touch with us using the WP theme links given in the description. So let us start building your website, and I'm coming with a next great WordPress resource in the next video. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.